No, I was wrong. It was right.
Yeah.
What do you got there, Zoe?
Gold coin.
Gold coins. Let me see your money.
Oh yeah. The loot.
The loot.
And I call this a loot.
Those are yummy, aren't they? Hey, Xander.
You don't even look at it.
Xander just cuts to the chase. Just dumps his,
Oh, I know these things are cool, Xander.
What are they?
This is soda.
Hey, Xander, what's that? Xander, what's that thing?
It's a real rubber band ball.
Awesome.
Don't try to take them off.
Don't take it apart. It won't work if you do.
Xander, it's a ball. It's a bouncy ball.
Oh.
You gotta practice that all year and make it one of those.
Really?
Yeah.
How many pieces of coal did Xander get? I got none. I couldn't find any.
You didn't get-
A lot. I don't got any.
You must have been just a
I don't
little
got
bit.
any coal.
Must have been a little bit naughty this year.
I'm sure. I got nothing.
Maybe I got one of yours, Zoe.
Yeah. Pass the badness.
Zoe, seriously, do you want it or not?
No, not really. Yeah, Joey, you're lying.
It's pretty nice and shit.
Hey, hey, Xander, shoot me. Shoot me.
No.
He's afraid. No, he's freaked out.
Xander, it's a toy, bro.
Hey, Xander, watch this.
Hey! Okay, that's a good idea.
I think Mom likes you a lot.
Yeah,
Oh,
pick,
Grandpa's.
read on there. It says pick one. Those are $30 each. Pick one. But you got a lot to pick from, okay? I'll
Holy
take the
crap.
others back.
What'd you do?
Oh, we didn't know what kind of tie you wanted.
tie.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Probably got 80 of them.
I think there's 9.
hear me like shoot outside
Holy crap.
But you'll need to pick the one you
Right when I
like
find
the
you,
best.
yeah.
Pick
I'm
two,
gonna
actually.
shoot
'Cause
one get present.
I'll buy you another one, so pick 2.
Can I shoot in the house?
Yeah, go ahead. Shoot again. Oh.
Yeah, I think
You doing, Xander?
I'm an old person walking. Hey, Dad.
show the kid
Yeah.
you're walking with.
Pomegranate isn't working.
Uh-oh. That's not how you eat it, huh? Those are huge pomegranates.
This is choosing from Mom.
From Mom? Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, you have to blow out that fire.
Yeah.
Open it up.
I'm gonna
That's
shoot.
great.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mom. Ow.
Well, these people are
Boy,
good.
that's, yeah, we want to,
Hey, Mom.
we want to,
that, Zane? They put it across the bathtub. Now I don't have to try and not drop the book in the...
I've been asking for one of those. It took me a while to find one.
it's a tray across the
I
bathtub.
do my
Bathtub tray so he can read while he's taking a
It's kinda hard
bath.
'cause you have to like do it on the side and drop homework
It'll,
in one
it'll
way.
hold your book, honey, and it also holds a wine glass and a candle. So you can really relax while you're reading your homework.
Grandpa wants one of those.
Let me hold a wine glass and a candle in there.
A wine glass of
Hey,
iced tea.
can I tell you something? Our teacher and Miss Reese, her favorite thing to do is read books in the bathtub while eating pickles.
Oh.
And she's had to pay for so many library books that way because she'll drop them and her pickles go
Me
flying
too. I've done like
everywhere.
3 in a row lately.
Oh, what happens to me is I have to do it on
Hey,
the side.
David. Did you eat your big rib that Santa brought
I'm
you?
laying down, I have it on my chest, doing homework, and then to get up, look at the book, write down the problem with it. And then
Hey,
books like this,
David.
and like drop my homework in it, because the book's more important, it's a $80
Probably your last Christmas, baby.
Oh, these people are also making the right stuff in the right places. They put
It's
it,
a weird thing to
you
get,
know,
but it's good. I like that.
like they put little sodium.
Grandpa wants one of those.
Little sodium. Hey, Zane, you got something? Zane? Buddy, are you still in this
He's
world?
concentrating. He's reading in Latin.
Oh, okay, he's in the
Oh,
Latin
it's
world.
Latin.